There's one kind of just falling out of the sky.
Mm-hmm. I'm glad you come over here and got your eye on these things, because I've been seeing these things play around this lake for 5 or 6 years or better. I ain't had one soul come over here with me. And just
There's that one above the trees again, getting brighter.
I ain't had one person come over here and look at these
There's
things.
one coming up above the, look, right below it.
Mm-hmm.
What is that? They both went out.
Yeah.
There's one up above.
Yeah. That's where I looked like that and was going right towards the one that was above it.
Good, I'm still recording.
If they don't come back this way, come over here.
There's one above the trees again.
Yeah. Yeah. See that? Swooping down in and right back up.
What the heck was that?
Plane. Like the plane.
And it disappeared. Now there's two right up above the beacon. And that was weird. There's one that that's just weird.
1, 2 off to the right now, very
Holy cow.
2 of them. 3 of them. 1, 2, 2 real bright, and then I ain't telling how many's out there. I know I was looking at 4 or 5 right here above me, just doing corkscrews and stuff, like they were chasing after each other, playing.
There's one above the trees again.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Reckon that's people with drones?
No.
No. For it to be lit up, the moon and sun has to be shining on it, don't it? I mean, you think. No.
Two just about ran into each other.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Don't make no noise. I've had them right above me, and I couldn't hear nothing. But they were, of course, very high. Looked to me like they were out of outside of the atmosphere.
And there is absolutely no major airport. I looked it up.
No, they ain't airplanes. That's the things that were over me when I first got over here, and I see them. I don't see them every time I come over here, but I see them every now and then.
There's one coming up out of the ground again. And another one right above it just got real bright.
Yeah. I can see, well, one just
and that one just disappeared.
Went below the tree on this phone here.
There's it, look, coming out of the trees again.
Now you see what I'm getting at, because I watch these things a lot over the I just ain't got the education to tell anybody what I'm seeing, but I have no idea.